Hey guys, what's up? It's Pav here from Allseobasics. Before I go into this tutorial, just like to show you that this tutorial that I'm going to show you is the same strategy that I used to grow this website on here for the keywords and stuff. So as you guys can see, we've hit 50,000 users in the last month, 28 users in the last 30 minutes, as well as this is how we've grown it on here. As you can see, in the last 2 years, website continues to grow with just under 1 million users on this new kind of blog that I've built. It's been out for a couple of years, 2-3 years. As you can see, it's really grown, and it just continues to grow using this same keyword strategy that I'm going to show you now. So if you're watching, make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe, and let's go straight into this video. Hey, what's up guys? How y'all doing? Pav here from Allseobasics, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you another part of this tutorial on finding low competition keywords with high traffic for the best web growth. Now, I've seen a lot of YouTube tutorials, and it kind of made me think that some of these people and some of these tutorials are not being too clear on how to achieve such possibility in ranking in lower competition keywords with high traffic. So I thought I'll show you guys the easiest way possible. Let me just try to hide this toolbar. There we go. The easiest way possible, and the easiest way to do that is pretty much, using this tool called spyfu.com. Now, there's a link below in my description. I eat, drink, and sleep by this tool because it has helped me achieve some great traffic onto some of my websites and blogs that I own. And I just want to share this knowledge with you guys. So if you started watching, please hit the like and subscribe, because who doesn't wanna? I'm joking. Right, come on. So basically guys, spyfu.com, what it does is it runs a keyword research based on different country that you guys can find. Now, that you guys are based in, on targeting your blog to kind of search to rank within. So I'm gonna go for and click on United States, because that's like the main kind of popular country to drive blog traffic. And on here, you guys can have a list of keywords that you want, but you can kind of do a research on a keyword. So I'm gonna type in something in here. For example, smoking. I don't know, smoking. Keyword smoking. So you started a blog about smoking and how bad it is or something. Pop Smoke, the rapper come up. That's not right. But anyway, we go down and we can see that the difficulty on here is set to 73. Now that's pretty much high. You want to target keywords that are below 50, okay, to start off with. Anything below 30 would be even better. But here at the top, guys, you can see it's 42,000 on the top. I might move this over actually. Let me see, I might zoom out a bit. There we go. So as you guys can see here at the top, 42,000 users, and as I scroll down, we've got the difficulty here on the side, which is 73. And using this tool, we can really see that this is hard to rank. Obviously, the higher the difficulty, as you guys can see, 100 being the most difficult to rank for. So anything with 0 is really easy to rank. Anything with 100 is really hard. 73 is on a high scale, and you would want to stay away from that. So let's say how to quit smoking keyword, and you would go down. You would see that it's 7.3 thousand users searching this keyword a month. And again, 76. So that's quite high. So let's say quit smoking. And this is how you do your research. And quit smoking's even higher, 84. And you kind of just keep clicking. So tips to stop smoking. So keep clicking on similar keywords until you can find the one that's lower. And this one's 63, look. That's much better than trying to target a keyword that's 78 or 80. 63, you can kind of find the lowest keyword within your topic with the high kind of traffic. So you can now take this keyword, tips to stop smoking, go into your keyword section and you would put this keyword in here with copy and paste, and you can put the monthly visits, and then you can also put the difficulty, which is over here, 63. So diff and 63, and you can kind of keep working on your keywords like this. And let's say nicotine withdrawal symptoms. See this? Click on that. So we go down, difficulty 48, really good keyword. So nicotine withdrawal symptoms. You could maybe try writing a blog on this. So 1,260 kind of visits. That is good traffic if you start ranking for that. And difficulty, as you guys can see here, difficulty 48. That's really good keyword, that. Obviously the, you know, lower kind of keywords like why are cigarettes bad, the lower base keywords will have sometimes a really low kind of difficulty or high. Trying to find a really good keyword, you will just kind of click on different keywords on here and get an idea. But as you guys can see, that keyword over here, nicotine withdrawal symptoms, this keyword is really good keyword to actually target. I'm surprised there's not much competition on this, because if anyone makes a blog on this and kind of does good backlinks and works on it, you could really drive high traffic with this. Really high traffic. And let's say we go down, and you can do this to any keyword. So this is pretty much how you find good keywords. You know, and you could do this for anything. Let's say mobile phones. Type in mobile phones, and difficulty 50, not that hard, 3,300 users, pretty cool. High traffic keywords are here at the top, similar keywords. Mobile phone shops, let's say 26,000 monthly users coming through, with difficulty being at 64. So again, you know, not the easiest keyword to target, but definitely a good idea. You will have to click on loads of these, and you will find that one of these will be really low in competition. It just takes a bit of research and plenty of coffee drinking. And this is pretty much how most gurus and web developers and people that try to grow websites work. They just click on these, you know, tools, use these tools to find different keywords to try target. Again, you can use SEMrush to help you guys, as I've done a video before this, but this is the best way on finding the high traffic keywords with low competition. And anything below 50 is really good. 63 is kind of high. If you can find anything below 40, amazing. You're going to start ranking really well if you work well on the backlinks and getting your content out there. Obviously, we'll do more tutorials on how to actually bring the traffic in and try to get your website rolling. But apart from that, this is a tutorial on how you find low competition keywords with high strategy, high kind of traffic. So basically, this is the best way of doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is the best way of doing it. I've been using this for years and it's always worked. If you got any questions, drop them below. Apart from that, stay safe, peace out, subscribe, ciao.